Another advantage of many dental implants is that it can be placed immediately. It can be placed after an extraction, depending on the condition of the patient. If the area is healthy, minimal bone loss, we can place that mini implant and restore it with a temporary prosthesis or crown on the same visit. And it doesn't take long. It can take maybe 15 more minutes additional to having a tooth removed. Or if a person comes in and has had a missing tooth and they want to replace it that day, once we take the radiograph, do the diagnostics on that area, and we see that we have enough bone, then the dental implant can be placed and restored at the same time.